can use about hair. Hair Street News with your intrepid reporter, whose ears are to the streets, ready to give the deets without missing a beat, Jane. Hair Street News, all the news you can use for hair.
Hello, and welcome to another edition of Hair Street News, where we give you all the deets that's happening in the hair streets. I am your lovely host, Jane. Honey, I keep turning up like a bad penny. You see what I'm saying? Anyway, without any further ado, we are going to jump right to what is pop, locking, and dropping for the month of February. Now, we all know that February is the month of Black history and love. And that's with a capital L-O-V-E. L'amour, if you're French. And in celebration of the upcoming Valentine's Day, we are here to hit you to the jive as far as hairstyles that will keep your love alive. Bob, did you write that? Look at you writing scripts and stuff. I like it. It's all about love, baby. L'amour. You can have on the tightest dress and have your face beat to smithereens. But honey, if you don't top it off with a good hairstyle, your fit ain't complete. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. So we are going to get right to and talk about all the stylings and profilings that you can rock for this V-Day 2023. Long, short, curly, natural, trust me, whatever you are rocking, we got something that will rock with you. Okay, hope this is in order and go. First up, this should come as no surprise, as this is a usual go-to for those who are in a romantic mood. Loose curls are always on the menu when it comes to Valentine's Day. Outside of maybe a hip-hugging dress, we don't want anything tight on our heads. No. We want things flowing and going for V-Day. We're talking loose tendrils that can frame the face. We're talking updos with a cascade of curls, perhaps working their way down towards your shoulders. Big, fluffy, bouncy curls. There are so many choices when it comes to styling loose curls. See, like that one right there? And that one. Loose curls give you just a little bit of coquettishness. Is that a word? Okay, we rolling with it. Little bit of coquettishness along with a dash of sexy. Meow. Speaking of sexy, did you know that one of the sexiest parts on a woman's body is, no, not that. It is the collarbone. Yes, this is true. And so basically, any style that helps to show off that collarbone, honey, you are in there. So we're talking updos, we're talking ponytails, and if your hair is short, honey, we got something for you too, as you can slick it back and show off that neck and that elegant collarbone, as well as any jewelry that you may choose to wear for that evening. As this helps to ring notes of softness and come-hitherness. I gotta write that one down. For this Valentine's Day, it's all about l'amour, if you're French. It's all about softness and leaving a little bit of breadcrumbs without giving them the whole meal. You see what I'm saying? Because they don't need you don't have to do all that. You ain't got to show everything. You can just show a little bit. So you can just show a little bit of clavicle, honey, and keep it classy. It's all about softness, femininity, and keeping it classy. Right, Bob? But you ain't hear that from me. Okay. Anyway, speaking of breadcrumbs, and along with showcasing your collarbone, as we are looking for styles for V-Day to show off all of our beautiful features, we also want to be sure to show off that face. Be sure not to do anything that will cover that beautiful face of yours. A nice side swept braid or just a loose braid in general will have you looking so nice. It'll have your guy looking twice and wondering, how did he ever get a catch like you? Yes, a loose braid, whether it be in the back, left-hand side, or the right-hand side, loose braids give you that romantic touch. If your hair is medium length, or at least to your shoulder, loose braids may be a style that you may want to consider. Long or short, anyone can rock this particular hairstyle. Of course, if short, there's always extensions or clip-ins that can help elongate and bring some oomph to your braid. We're talking playful, we're talking loose, honey, we are talking carefree. And then if you combine that loose braid with a little bit of the loose curls, maybe a little tendrils on the side, honey, you will have your man catching all the feels on this Valentine's Day. Okay, shuffle, shuffle. We talked about that. Okay, and we did that. And shuffle. All right, and we're back. For this next suggestion, as far as hairstyling and profiling for this upcoming Valentine's Day, hair jewelry. Yes, why not adorn your hair with some hair jewelry? Now, for all you old school hip hop heads, we talking about bling bling, okay? A little bit of bling bling up in here, okay? That's right, a little bling bling may lead to a big ring ring. If you see what I'm saying. Stick with me, honey. We're going to hook you up. Okay? Anyway, we're talking everything from barrettes that are studded to bobby pins that can add a little bit of glitter and glamour to your hairstyle. Honey, we are even talking about ribbons. Yes, honey. We're taking it back to the ribbons. Ribbons are very romantic and can easily be added to any hairstyle, not just a ponytail. Oh, hold on, this just in. You're saying that everyone can wear this hairstyle? Short, long, curly, natural, it doesn't matter? Okay, I just heard from our roving reporter on the hair streets that anybody can participate in this particular adornment. Yes, long hair, short hair, curly hair, it don't even matter. Natural, everybody in between, everybody can participate in this hair adornment. Adding a little bit of sparkle to your crown can have you truly feeling like a queen on this particular day. And you can wear it just about every day. You don't have to keep it just for Valentine's Day. I'm just trying to tell you. Right, Bob? Because every woman should feel like a queen. Valentine's Day and beyond. Hi, Glory. Come on now. Okay, and shuffle, and we are almost done. At the end of the day, it's all about feeling your best. So do yourself a favor and treat yourself maybe to a different hairstyle or adding a little oomph to your do. And if you are flying solo, all the more reason to treat yourself to something special, starting with a nice, simple style that will make you feel pretty. Talking about that. I think we done, Bob. That was quick. So we are going to wrap this up, and that's about it. We are going to get up out of here. And so that ends this edition, this special edition of Hair Street News, where we give you all the hair deets from the hair streets and romantic hairstyles that you can wear for this Valentine's Day of 2023. I am your lovely host, Jane, and I'm hoping that you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I mean, some of us, some of us going to be fussing and fighting with no good boyfriend that just is crazy and don't be acting right, don't be returning no type of phone calls. And then we end up crying all dressed up with nowhere to go, crying with our mascara running down our face. And then we just sit down on the couch and cry into a whole tub of ice cream. It's got to be vanilla ice cream though. Vanilla ice cream and flipping through the channels and finally ended up Netflix and chilling solo on the sofa. Did I say that out loud? Was my mic still on, Bob? Oh, oops. I was speaking for a friend. Anyway, so without further ado, we're just going to end this episode. And again, I wish all of you a happy Valentine's Day. Bye-bye now.